This screencast is designed to go over the new communication tool found in the myMCPS Classroom Gradebook. This tool will let you communicate with students and their parents/guardians quickly, efficiently, if they're missing an assignment or if they need to take advantage of a reassessment opportunity. So to start, I'm going to open one of my classes through the dashboard. And I'm going to go ahead and hit the Grades button. Now, as you can see, this brings up the gradebook. So in order to use this feature, you really need to be inputting the grades here. Remember, if you input the grades into myMCPS Classroom, by hitting this Pinnacle Sync button right here at the top, it will then send those grades to the Pinnacle, the normal gradebook. So it's not like you have to enter the grades twice. You can just enter them here and then sync them to your gradebook. So let's get to the feature. So as you see, as I hover over the title of my assignment, if I click on this arrow, it's going to give me some features. And the new feature is Message Students Who. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And it brings this up. And it says message students who haven't been graded. So if you leave blanks in your gradebook for students who have not submitted an assignment, you could do that. But then I can also message students who scored less than or students who scored more than. So I'm going to go ahead and select students who scored less than. And then you can put in a threshold like 2 out of 5 or 3 out of 5, 4 out of 5. And what this does is it brings up a list of your students who earned less than that score. Now, I have a pre-typed message that I usually send out that goes something like this. So I'll always make sure to say when the reassessment opportunity is due, and then when I'm available for help if a student needs assistance completing that reassessment opportunity. Now, what makes this even better is you can hit this Include Observers button. Now, observers would be the parent or guardian who signed up through the myMCPS Classroom page. So this would then send this notification not only to a student, but to the observer who is paired with that student. So both of them are going to get an email notification or a text message notification depending on what they've subscribed to, but they'll get this message. Now, let's say that there are some students that I don't want to send it to. I can pick and choose that by hitting the Remove Students button. So I could just email the observers, or I could email both the observers and the students. So this is a really cool feature, and you only have to send it once. So I teach 4 sections of physics, so when I do this, it brings up all of the students across all 4 class periods. So I only have to do this once per course. So it significantly cuts down on the time it takes to just send a little reminder about missing assignments or reassessment opportunities. So I hope you find this feature helpful and something that you might consider using in your own classroom moving forward to help reduce the number of students who maybe have Z's or zeros or 50% on assignments in your classes. Thanks for watching. Bye.